So this has been a fight that's been going on for years, and we're following through tonight after the group filed a class action lawsuit against the Kirtland Country Club.
News 5's Catherine Ross explains why this is not the first time the noise complaints have gone to court and how the country club is responding.
With the end of golf season at the Kirtland Country Club comes the start of shooting season.
I've been enduring this nuisance of gunfire at the Kirtland Country Club for several years now. And
this video, created by a law firm, is meant to show the impact weekend skeet shooting is having on dozens of neighbors, including some veterans with PTSD.
I have flashbacks of being in a firefight when I hear the gunshots.
There are similar concerns neighbors have been telling News 5 for years.
Every time I hear the guns, I go back to the Cold War.
In 2021, we covered a protest in front of the club. Back then, the club told us the skeet program was properly permitted and legally compliant. The city of Willoughby granted the permit back in 2015. After noise complaints, it revoked the authorization, but the club fought back and won in court. Now it's being taken back to court.
Virtually hundreds of residents heard about this, and they started calling me and telling me unbelievably gruesome stories about how this has devastated their life.
Attorney Tim Misny filed a class action lawsuit this week on behalf of at least 475 homes. He says decibel readings in many of the backyards are as loud as a high-powered firecracker. Now, noise complaints here at the country club have been the subject of legal battles in the past, but Misny says that some things have changed, and he thinks this lawsuit will be more successful. Ohio law allows outdoor shooting ranges as long as the noise doesn't exceed 90 decibels. Misny says a judge recently ruled in another case that the level is virtually unattainable.
The shooting ranges have no immunity because you could never satisfy the requirement, i.e. you can never exceed that 90, and so the law means nothing.
News 5 reached out to the country club several times Friday. So far, we have not heard back. In a previous statement, the club told us, quote, "The courts have consistently ruled in the club's favor. Throughout the years, we have taken additional proactive measures to mitigate further disturbances the skeet program may have to the surrounding community." The lawsuit filed in federal district court is asking the shooting program to be shut down and the club to pay damages to the neighbors affected. Right now, skeet shooting is scheduled to start this weekend. In Lake County, Catherine Ross, News 5.